Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Discord overlay, quick fix step by step clearly. Open Discord on your computer. Navigate to the user settings by clicking the gear icon at the bottom left corner. In the left sidebar, select the Gaming Activity tab. Ensure that Game Overlay is enabled. Next, click on the Overlay menu option in the left sidebar. In the Overlay settings, toggle the Enable In-Game Overlay option to on. You can customize the overlay shortcut keys by clicking the Overlay Hotkey option. Choose a combination of keys that you will remember. After setting your hotkey, close the Settings menu. Now, launch the game you want to use with Discord Overlay. Press the Overlay hotkey you set earlier to open the overlay. You will see the overlay options pop up on your screen. From here, you can send messages, check notifications, or manage voice calls. If the overlay does not appear, make sure your game is running in full screen mode. Additionally, verify that your graphics settings allow for overlays. If those settings are fine, restart Discord and try again. Reopening the game can also help refresh the overlay function. With these steps, you should be able to successfully use Discord Overlay. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.